Okay, my name is Emmy Choge from Kenyatta National Hospital, Staff Retirement Benefit Scheme. This was my first time attending the finance training. We've learned a lot. Personally, I've really gained a lot of knowledge on this. And I hope to go and share with my colleagues in the pension office. KNH has two schemes. We have Staff Retirement Benefit Scheme and we have the Staff Group Superannuation Scheme. And it is now my duty to go and share with those who we left behind. And the knowledge that I've acquired will be of great help to the Audit and Risk Committee, which I am a member of. And we aspire to practice whatever we have learned and make KNH a big scheme again. Also, we should be able to tell our members what is good for their future, especially when they're approaching retirement age. And this training of finance has really enlightened me a lot. I'll be able to advise them, and I recommend VNet to each and every other scheme who is planning for a training on matters pension and investment.